This lesson is on sugar, but not just any sugar. This is the sugar that the companies add to our drinks and to our food to sweeten it. This is not natural sugar. This is added sugar. If you look at the different names for sugar, sugar is refined. This slide shows the different names of sugar, added sugar, that is put into our food and drinks. This slide shows the different names for sugar that is added to our food and drinks. If you notice, anything that has the word sugar is a sugar. We have powdered sugar here. We have brown sugar. We have raw sugar, regular sugar, and white granulated sugar. Another thing to keep in mind is that if it has the word syrup, like here, we have pancake syrup, maple syrup, malt syrup, invert syrup, corn syrup. So if it's sugar or syrup, then it's a type of sugar. But here's one that is even more difficult to recognize, and it is the ones that rhyme with gross. Dextrose, fructose, lactose, maltose, sucrose, there's glucose. So if a word rhymes with gross and it's on the ingredient label, then it is a type of sugar. Another word to familiarize yourself with is the word concentrate. Concentrate is also added sugar. On a juice box or container at the bottom, it will say made from concentrate. Concentrate means that they have added sugar to that juice instead of having it freshly squeezed. The only 100% juice is usually the Juicy Juices by Welch, but also in the produce department there are freshly squeezed juices. So when you pick up a juice, make sure that you look at the container and see if it is made from concentrate. Let's look at a couple of drinks. This particular drink is a strawberry pomegranate freeze that you would find at Taco Bell. With this, it looks very healthy. It has the fruit in it. But let's look at the ingredients. We see sugar. Let's look at a couple of drinks. This is a pomegranate strawberry freeze from Taco Bell. Looks delicious, has the fruit on the side, even shows the fruit in the glass. But look at the ingredients. We have sugar as the #1 ingredient. The third ingredient has concentrate, and then concentrate for the fourth. This is 4 different types of sugar in one drink, being the first 4 ingredients of the drink, which makes it a dessert. Here is a low-fat chocolate milk that's found at McDonald's in the kids' meal. If we look at the ingredients here, the #2 ingredient is high fructose corn syrup. The third ingredient is sugar. Now, high fructose corn syrup is one of the worst types of sugars and sweeteners that we can have in our drinks because it's cheap. It's in many of the drinks that we drink, and even in some of the foods that we eat. It's double sugar, fructose and syrup. So keep that in mind while you're looking at the rest of this PowerPoint. Strawberry lemonade, frozen from McDonald's. Look at the ingredients. Lemonade-based strawberry flavored syrup. Here's the syrup again, #2 ingredient, which makes it also a dessert. Here's a popular drink with most of you. Powerade is used like a sports drink, but look at the #2 ingredient, high fructose corn syrup, which makes it also a dessert. Energy drinks are very popular, which should not be given to most kids. Kids are drinking too many energy drinks and it's causing them heart problems. This particular drink, Monster Energy, look at the ingredients. The second ingredient is sucrose. The third ingredient is glucose, 2 sugars, which makes it also a dessert. This is a familiar thing found in lunch boxes around schools everywhere. High C, orange lava burst. It is a very small container, and look at the ingredients. High fructose corn syrup, #2 ingredient, which makes it a dessert. What you should have learned about this PowerPoint is that just about every drink that we drink has a type of sugar in it that's in the first three ingredients. These are drinks of our choice. The drink that we should be drinking more of is water, not because it only hydrates us, but it does many things for our body in order to keep our organs going, keep the nutrients flowing in our blood, and so on and so forth. So water should be your first choice of drink, and then you may be able to choose another drink that has a sugar or syrup in the lower part of the ingredient list.